Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you need a projector that combines brightness, flexibility and large screen performance, the Epson Pro EX11000 is designed to make presentations, movies and streaming look impressive in almost any environment. The link is in the description, so visit there for the price details. With powerful laser projection and strong brightness output, this projector delivers a clear and vibrant image even in rooms that are not completely dark, which makes it a practical choice for offices, classrooms, home entertainment and business presentations. The full HD resolution helps keep text sharp and video content detailed while supporting a viewing experience that feels immersive on large screens. One of the biggest advantages is the ability to project images up to massive sizes while maintaining strong visibility and color performance. Wireless screen sharing through Miracast makes it simple to connect compatible devices without extra cables, and the included HDMI connectivity allows quick setup with streaming devices, gaming systems and laptops. The built-in speaker also adds convenience for presentations and casual viewing sessions without requiring separate audio equipment. Since it uses a laser light source, users benefit from long operating life and reduced maintenance compared with traditional lamp-based projectors. This makes it especially useful for people who want dependable performance without worrying about frequent replacements. Whether you are presenting to a group, hosting movie nights or creating a more flexible viewing setup, this projector is built to deliver reliable results with minimal effort. Many users appreciate the combination of brightness, portability and easy connectivity for everyday use. Overall, the Epson Pro EX11000 creates a balance between professional presentation capability and enjoyable entertainment performance. To explore current pricing, features and customer feedback, click the Amazon link below and see if this projector is the right upgrade for your setup. Thanks for watching.